push everybody around her. These Thomas boys are trouble. Thomas boys are trouble. Aren't they? Thomas boys are trouble.
Yeah, Jonathan! Woo! Ready?
Amy. So how was it? Now you can have this back.
Right. Totally worth it.
Don't you think we should build one of these?
Yeah. I think one with a little more slant.
Oh yeah?
Go a little faster.
Easy enough to build.
Maddie, we're going to build one of these going from your house to the river.
What's that?
It's enjoyable, but it's too short. You need a length in it to like go around the whole place. This is like, Maddie, I asked her if I could sling it back. What'd she say? She's like, sure, you can give it a try. And I got it further than anyone. Then she's like, yeah, it's broken.
Oh, Ashley. Happy birthday to you.
Happy
Birthday to you.
birthday!
Happy birthday, dear Ashley.
Happy birthday, Ashley! Woo! You're number one in our hearts!
Oh, Michael. Come on, Michael.
Michael! 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 Michael!
Are you related to you? No relation?
Dyed my hair.
Nice job. Way to go.
Okay, here we go.
Is that funny? Is that funny? Go, Michael.
Yes,